Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Chef. I'm so excited to share this game changer with you today. Picture this, it's Monday morning, you're rushing out the door, but you don't have to settle for boring salads or takeout. Today, we're making a 10-minute quinoa salad that's not only quick but bursting with flavor and nutrients to power you through your busy day. If you're a young professional juggling work, gym, and life, this is for you. We'll use simple ingredients you probably already have, like fluffy quinoa, crisp veggies, and a tangy dressing. It's gluten-free, vegan optional, and under 300 calories per serving. Stick around as we dive in step by step. Trust me, once you try this, it'll be your go-to lunch hack, like if you're ready to level up your meal prep. Let's start with the star of the show, quinoa. This tiny seed is a complete protein powerhouse, loaded with fiber to keep you full till dinner. For 2 servings, grab half a cup of dry quinoa. Rinse it under cold water to remove any bitterness. Just swirl it in a strainer for about 30 seconds. I remember the first time I tried quinoa, it was a revelation for my picky eater days. Now in a small pot, add 1 cup of water or veggie broth for extra flavor, bring it to a boil, then stir in the quinoa. Reduce to a simmer, cover, and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the water's absorbed and it's fluffy. Fluff with a fork, see that perfect texture? While that's happening, let's prep our veggies. Chop up some cucumber, have cherry tomatoes, and crumble feta if you're adding it. This salad is so versatile, swap in whatever's in your fridge. Feeling the excitement build? Alright, while the quinoa simmers away, it's veggie time. These fresh picks add crunch and vitamins that'll make you feel unstoppable. Dice 1 cucumber into bite-sized pieces, love that crisp snap. Have a handful of cherry tomatoes for juicy bursts of sweetness. If you like a bit of kick, slice in some red onion or bell peppers. I'm all about keeping it simple, but feel free to add avocado for creaminess or chickpeas for extra protein. Pro tip, use a sharp knife to make chopping a breeze. No one wants wonky pieces ruining their vibe. As a busy mom, as a busy you, prepping this ahead means grab-and-go lunches all week. Smell that quinoa cooking. It's almost ready. Drain any excess water if needed and spread it on a plate to cool quickly. We're building layers of flavor here and it's going to be mouth-watering. Hit that subscribe if you're loving these quick tips. Quinoa's done and fluffed. Look at those perfect little spirals. Now in a large bowl, combine your cooked quinoa with all those prepped veggies. Toss in the cucumber, tomatoes, and whatever else you're feeling. This is where the magic starts. The warm quinoa slightly wilts the veggies for that perfect meld. For protein, add some chickpeas or grilled chicken if you're not going plant-based. I once made this for a potluck, and it was a hit. Everyone thought it was from a fancy deli. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. But wait, the dressing is what elevates this from good to gourmet. In a jar, shake up 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and minced garlic. That zing, drizzle it over and toss gently to coat everything evenly. See how the colors pop? It's like a rainbow in a bowl, nourishing your body and soul. Let's keep the momentum going. Dressing time, this citrusy blend ties everything together with bright, herby notes. Squeeze fresh lemon for that vitamin C boost. It's worth it. Shake vigorously in your jar until it's creamy, no lumps here. Pour it slowly over the quinoa mixture, watching it glisten. Now the fun part, toss. Use 2 spoons or your hands clean, of course, to gently mix, ensuring every piece gets a kiss of dressing. If you're meal prepping, divide into containers now for easy storage. This salad stays fresh in the fridge for up to 3 days, and the flavors even get better overnight. Imagine pulling this out during your lunch break, feeling energized instead of sluggish from fast food. It's empowering, right? Add fresh herbs like parsley or mint for extra aroma. Sniff that freshness. We're almost at the tasting stage and my mouth is watering already. Comment below if lemon dressings are your fave. Toss complete. Look at this beauty, hearty quinoa hugging crisp veggies, all unified by that tangy dressing. It's not just food, it's fuel for your ambitious life. Nutritionally, we're talking balanced macros. Complex carbs, healthy fats, and loads of micronutrients from the produce. Perfect for maintaining energy without the crash. If you're watching your calories, this clocks in light but satisfying. I love adding nuts like almonds for crunch. Just a sprinkle does wonders. Stir it one more time to distribute flavors evenly. Feel that sense of accomplishment. You've just whipped up a healthy meal in minutes, proving anyone can eat well on a tight schedule. As the host, I test this weekly and it's my secret to staying sharp at work. Up next, we'll plate it up and dive into that first bite. The anticipation is killing me. If you're cooking along, pause here and grab your ingredients. Let's make healthy eating exciting together. Time to plate. Spoon generous portions onto plates or into bowls for that Instagram-worthy look. Layer it high for visual appeal. Food should be as fun to see as it is to eat. Top with crumbled feta, a drizzle more dressing, or sliced green onions for garnish. This step makes it feel special even on a weekday. As young adults, we deserve meals that spark joy, not just sustenance. The lemon wedge on the side, squeeze it fresh for brightness. Plating pros say even spacing enhances flavors, but hey, no pressure, it's delicious either way. I once plated this for a date night picnic and it scored major points. Set the scene with a fork ready, maybe some flatbread on the side. This isn't rushed eating, it's mindful nourishment. Building to the climax, the taste test. My heart's racing with how good this smells, earthy, fresh, zesty. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss the reaction. Here we go, the moment of truth. First bite, that crunch from cucumber, pop from tomato, nutty chew of quinoa, all dancing with lemony tang. It's fresh, satisfying, and downright addictive. The feta melts in your mouth, adding creamy saltiness. Honestly, this salad transports me to a sunny Mediterranean cafe minus the travel time. For all you skeptics, one bite converts you to quinoa lovers. It's hearty enough for lunch but light for dinner too. Taste-wise, expect balanced acidity cutting through richness perfection. I could eat this every day and not get bored, especially with seasonal tweaks. Feeling that rush of flavor. That's the health benefits hitting: antioxidants, fiber for gut health, protein for muscle repair. You've earned this win. Share in the comments, what's your favorite salad add-in? If this has you hungry, give it a thumbs up. We're peeking here, but there's more wisdom coming up. Post-taste bliss, this quinoa salad isn't just quick, it's a lifestyle upgrade for busy bees like us. We've nailed the basics, but let's amp it up with variations. Go tropical, add pineapple and cilantro for a sweet twist. Or make it Mediterranean with olives and oregano. For extra bulk, stir in tuna or tofu. Customize to your mood or what's on sale, that's the beauty of simple recipes. Storage tip, keep dressings separate to avoid sogginess. Remix when eating. Nutritionally, it's a winner, low GI for steady energy, helping you crush that afternoon slump. I shared this with friends and now it's their staple too, feeling empowered yet. You've got the skills to create nourishing meals effortlessly. As we wind down the climax, remember, small changes like this lead to big health wins. Like if this inspired your next lunch, onto tips that make it even easier. Let's talk hacks to shave even more time. Batch cook quinoa on Sunday for the week, it reheats like a dream. No stove, microwave method, 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water, covered for 6 minutes. Shortcuts like pre-chopped veggies from the store are lifesavers for ultra-busy days. Swap quinoa for couscous if you're in a pinch, but stick to whole grains for health perks. Budget tip. Quinoa prices vary, so buy in bulk online. Common mistake, overcooking, it turns mushy, so set a timer. For flavor boosts, experiment with vinegars or tahini in the dressing. This recipe scales easily for one or family. Just adjust portions. I once forgot an ingredient and used pesto instead, accidental genius. These tweaks keep it fresh and fun. Engaging with quick wins like this builds confidence in the kitchen. If you're nodding along, subscribe for more speedy ideas. Variations keep things exciting, don't they? Beyond the yum, here's why this salad rocks your health goals. Each serving delivers 15g protein, 8g fiber, and key vitamins A, C, K from the veggies, supporting immunity and skin glow. It's anti-inflammatory thanks to the olive oil and lemon, combating stress from long workdays. For our 20 to 35 crowd, it's ideal for weight management or muscle building without heavy calories. Pair with yogurt for a complete meal. Sustainability note, quinoa is eco-friendly, grown in diverse regions. Mindful eating like this reduces reliance on processed foods, saving money and the planet. I felt more vibrant after incorporating salads weekly. You will too. Track your energy levels post-meal, bet you'll notice the difference. Share your health wins in comments. As we approach the end, reflect on how easy it was. You've got this, one more shot to wrap it up strong. And that's a wrap on our 10-minute quinoa salad adventure. From rinse to relish, we've created something simple, speedy, and seriously satisfying. You now have a tool in your arsenal for those chaotic days, proving healthy eating doesn't require hours or fancy gadgets. Remember, consistency is key. Try this weekly and watch your vitality soar. Variations keep it fresh, tips make it foolproof. Big thanks for joining me at QuickChef. Your support means everything. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick healthy recipes, and hit the bell for notifications. Drop a comment, will you make this tomorrow? Share with a friend who needs lunch inspo. Until next time, keep it quick, keep it chef-y, and nourish those busy souls. Bon appetit, see you soon.